Hello, in this video I'm gonna do an unboxing of Motorola Edge 60 Fusion. So let's begin by opening the box, and in the box we first off get the accessory box. So it also says that the whole box, the whole packaging is plastic free and is recyclable, and the ink is actually soy ink, so it's also environment friendly. That's great because you can recycle this box into the paper bin. And then underneath this accessory box we get the phone, and let's take it out of this cover. I think it'll be easier to take it out that way, and I think it looks really great. I wasn't expecting that. I didn't see it on any photos, so I really like the curved edge first of all. Then what appears to me, there is, I think that's 3 cameras and a flashlight, but not all phones have real cameras. Some phones, I think Motorola actually doesn't fake their cameras, but I'm just not 100% sure about this one right here. So I'm gonna test it out later, but maybe not in this video. I'm gonna turn that phone in a moment, but let's also see what do we get. It says that it has Dolby Atmos. That's gonna be a good feature for sure. I really like the skin here. And the logo looks pretty sleek. Then the buttons are also pretty small, but it's because of the curved edge. I really like it, honestly. Then the SIM card tray, maybe SD as well, and the USB-C, the speakers. I'm gonna get into that in a moment, but before, let's get to the accessory box, and I can see that we have a casing here. So that is a really cool thing to have a case inside, and as we can notice, we get the cable, the USB-C to USB-C without any charging brick, unfortunately, but this is pretty common these days. And we also get some papers like the README or whatever, and the SIM card tray opener, which I'm gonna maybe use now to see what do we get in the SIM card tray, if it's a SIM or SD as well. So let's see right here, it's just a SIM, but no, actually it's an SD card on one side and SIM one on the second side. Maybe there's also eSIM in this phone. So let's get also a sticker. In European Union we sometimes get these stickers, not too often. And the case, which is made, what appears to me, from a recycled material, from a recycled plastic. I want to open it carefully. Yeah, but it's not easy to open it carefully, unfortunately. So this is how the case presents. I'm gonna put that on the phone. It's in, I think, the same color. Maybe there's just the slightest difference ever. And let's turn the phone on. So yes, the frames are very small, and also the camera cutout is super small. So that's what I really like. And the whole phone appears to be very pretty. I also like the recycled plastic case. I like these little dots right here, so that's pretty. And the phone is on. I'm not gonna set it up just yet, but this is basically, I think, all for today, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.